Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ULANZI D200 Stream Deck and I'm going to tell you how you can easily check for its firmware update in your ULANZI Deck app. To know how to install the ULANZI Deck application, check our channel because we have a video for this. But if you want to update your application, click this gear icon here, and now you'll see General. In General we can see the software version, but we have to move the device, and as you can see here we have firmware version which is 1.7.62. Here to update we have to click update here. As you can see I don't have any firmware updates, but if you have, update. Now you can click OK, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.